how to search efficiently using library databases. Library databases are a little different from how we're used to searching in a place like Google. From the Google search page, you have one thing to do. A library databases search page has a ton of options. And because the library purchases databases from a lot of different companies, these search pages will change depending on where you are searching. In this video, I'll search in 2 different databases provided by 2 different companies. Both companies provide the COCC library with a lot of different databases you might want to search depending on your topic, so this video will help you recognize the 2 most common database styles the Barber Library provides. But the video will also provide some universal tips that work across all library databases to make you a more efficient searcher. Let's get started. First, after clicking on the database name from the library website, you'll be on the home page, where you should start by finding the search bar. Typically, the search bar will be in the center of the page, but the second most common location is in the top right corner. It's possible, but rare, you will find the search bar somewhere other than these 2 spots. You can always get personalized tips for using databases by contacting a librarian. Now that we know where to search, we need to type in words to start our search. Check out the video for developing keywords on the Barber Library YouTube channel if you need additional tips. But a quick recommendation to help us now is to start broad. For example, in this video, I'll be researching on the topic of note-taking as an important study strategy. Starting broad, I'll type into the search bar, note-taking. Because my keywords were broad, I got a lot of results, too many for me to sort through all of them. Instead of immediately revising my keywords, I can start using some of the options the library databases provide to make the results more manageable and relevant to my topic. This might be similar to how you search in Amazon. You start with your search terms and then narrow your results to a certain price range, color, or brand. In library databases, look for filters to refine your results. Sometimes these filters are obvious and appear on the left side of your results as they do here, or on the right side of your results as they do here. If you can't find them, reach out to a librarian for help. Date range filters and source type filters are 2 ways of making sure your results are relevant to your needs. For example, if your instructor requires you to use journals for an assignment, you can make the database eliminate the other source types for you with just a simple click. A subject filter might also help make sure that your results are relevant by identifying common subjects that appear in your results. For instance, study skills, learning strategies, and college students are helpful subjects that are relevant to my keywords of note-taking and my larger topic. Click on those subjects will reduce my results to only include sources that are relevant to the selected subjects and my keywords. Once you've applied all the filters you want to use, you can see I've significantly reduced the number of results we're viewing, which makes this much more manageable to browse through. Once I find an article I want to read, I click on the title and the results list. Depending on the database you're searching in, clicking on the title will bring me to some basic information about the source, including an abstract or a summary of the article and the full text. Oftentimes, you might see that basic information and then have to click another link to read the full text. Either way, many of the databases will have the full text ready for you to immediately read. Once you're done with an article, you can click on the result list link to return to your results and find additional sources. If you find a source that asks for you to check full text, that might mean the full text isn't immediately available. Check out the How to Request Items Through ILL video on the Barber Library YouTube channel for instructions on how to access these resources. If at any point you have questions using a library database, you can also consult with a librarian to get personalized help. Just go to cocc.edu/library and click on Help.